Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
The Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender is our number one choice. The Vitamix is a powerful blender for those concerned with performance over budget. This blender features a large cool running motor with more power than most swimming pool pumps. The 64-ounce low-profile pitcher is large but still fits nicely under most countertops. You can control the blending speed by turning a dial on the front panel, and the variable speed gives you the most versatility. Our second best pick is Nutribullet Pro. This is the best blender for smoothies for the money. The Nutribullet uses your smoothie glass as your pitches. You mix the ingredients in the cup, put the lid on, and attach it to the Nutribullet. It has a powerful 900-watt motor that made short work of everything we placed in the cup. It uses stainless steel extractor blades and cyclonic action to break up your ingredients. It's effortless to clean up and only requires rinsing the blade and cup. Let's watch more about Nutribullet Pro.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is Nutribullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The Nutribullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the Nutribullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is Nutribullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the Nutribullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The Nutribullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The Nutribullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. Nutribullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Our number 3 is Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This is one of the best overall smoothie blender. This blender has a powerful 1500-watt motor, capable of crushing ice and frozen fruit and vegetables. The Mega Kitchen has an extra large 72-ounce pitcher and an additional 64-ounce processor bowl. The stacked and offset blades this unit provides do a much better job blending than a blender with a single blade at the bottom. You can choose from 4 clearly labeled speeds on the front panel, and it also has a pulse setting and an easy pour lid. It comes with 2 16-ounce smoothie cups to take your creations on the road, and cleanup is easy with removable blades and a soft press front panel. Our fourth choice is Blendtec Classic Blender. If you do want automatic settings without the Vitamix price tag, then the Blendtec might be the right choice for you. The auto settings are timed well, and there is a pre-programmed cycle just for smoothies. Its modern, sleek design is aesthetically appealing, and it's a bit more powerful than the Vitamix. Its timed presets allow you to select a time to blend and walk away, whereas Vitamix and Nutribullet require manual operation. This model also comes in a pretty wide range of bright colors if matching your blender to your kitchen decor is something you're into. Let's watch more about Blendtec Classic Blender.
Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious. Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.
Our last pick is KitchenAid K400 Countertop Blender. The dial and push button controls on this gorgeous model are intuitive. Its lightweight pitcher and heavy base combo make for sturdy blending. It required 2 pulses of the Smoothie program to get through the WH Test Kitchen's thick frozen pineapple and blackberry smoothie, but it blended up the seeds like a dream.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!